Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. This is my sweet doggy Charlie. Today we are going to do a 10-minute resistance band workout that's going to work your upper body, your core, and your lower body. All of these poses will be done in the chair, so please grab a sturdy chair and grab your resistance band. Before we get started, I'd love for you to take a look at my 4-week health and fitness tracker. I've created this guide to help you stay on top of your health and fitness goals, and you can check it out over at my website, emilydaugherty.com. All right, and when you're ready, let's get started. So starting here, placing the feet on the ground, let's inhale, reach the arms overhead. Exhale, send the hands down by the sides. Nice job. Plant one hand on the chair. We'll send the other arm up towards the sky. Inhale. And then exhale, fold towards the other side. Maybe you look up or down. Release that hand down. And then other side, we'll just reach up. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Side body stretch. Nice job. Set the hand down. From here, place the hands on the knees and we'll go into some Sufi grinds. Let's scooch our hips forward a little bit to give ourselves some space. And then we're just going to circle the heart around. Nice job. And see what that does with your beautiful spine. Catch a little wave here with your breath. And just working out any clicks or ticks here as you move. I always love to encourage folks, move joyfully every single day. Something that brings your body joy. Let's reverse those circles if you're ready for that. And I want to just applaud you for showing up for this practice, for yourself today, for your self-care practice today. That's a big deal. You said yes to your wellness. And I'm very proud of you for taking this step in your health journey. 3, 2, and 1. Come to center. From here, let's go into the lower body a little bit. We're gonna give me some kicks here. I'm just gonna turn to the side a little bit. So kick, and then maybe opposite fingers reach towards opposite toes. Nice job. So a nice little torso rotation. Plus we're engaging the lower body and the core. For 3, 2, 1. Nice job. I'm gonna turn back here, keeping that rhythm. What we're gonna do is give me a crossbody punch, but think about working the lower body first. So legs are gonna kind of do this little toe tap out and out. And then when your right leg goes out, twist the right arm towards the left side of the room. And then other way. Nice job. Catch a rhythm here. Working the whole body and the brain. When we challenge our body like this, we also challenge coordination, and both sides of the hemispheres of the brain are working, which is a really good thing. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Shake it out, let it go. All right, let's get into these exercises. So our first exercise, we're going to slide the band underneath of our feet. So press the feet on top of the band, and then your feet are hips width apart. And just take a look at my knees. They're not knocked in, they're not overextended out, they're right in line here. Strap is, you're gonna hold on to the strap on either side, and then we're gonna do a bicep curl. So we're gonna pull up and lower down. Each exercise about 8 to 10 reps here. What's beautiful about this resistance band is you can adjust the intensity. So if this is too much, just make the band a little bit longer. If you need more resistance, make it a little bit shorter. Great job. Keep breathing. I'll give you a breath pattern you can try. We'll inhale up and exhale, release. Nice job. Just a few more here. About 2 more. Last one. Great job. Maybe shake out the shoulders, shake the head a little bit, and let's go into our next move. So we're going to do a little chest fly. Keep the feet where they are, hang on to the band as you did, and then from here, hinge at the hips, fold over a little bit. Keep the length in the spine, ground through your hips, and then we're going to challenge ourselves. Hands are by the side, pull the band out and come back in. Pull out and back in. About 8 to 10 here. Use the breath. You could inhale, extend, and exhale, release. Nice, about halfway through. You got this. I know this one's a challenging one for me. Give me 2 more. Nice job. Last one. Hold, extend, challenge yourself. Feel that in the upper back. Nice. Let it go. Great job. All right. Our next move, we're going to keep the feet planted on the band, and we're going to do a little sit to stand. So you can watch me and then join me when you're ready. Press into the heels. We're going to lift out of the chair, pull that band up, and then lower down. Great job. Keep that going. And down. Inhale up. Exhale down. So you're going to feel that in your hips for sure. Lower body muscles are definitely turned on. This is a full body exercise. Give me about 4 more of these. You got this. For 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Let that go. Sweet. You can unstrap the feet, maybe shake out the wrist a little bit, maybe rub your hands a little bit if that was a little intense for your hands. Give yourself a little massage. Nice job. And then 2 more exercises. So our next move, we're just going to take the hands out in front and about shoulder width apart. Extend those arms, and then we're going to pull the band across the chest and bring it back in. Feel that resistance. Make it a little bit more intense if you need to, or loosen up the band if you need to make it a little bit easier on yourself. See if you can engage the lower abdominal muscles. That's going to protect our low back. We'll inhale, extend the arms, and exhale, bring it back in. You got this. So proud of you. We're almost there. Feel that up in the shoulders, definitely the back body, the chest. 3 more. For 2. Last one, best one. Hold, hold, hold. When you get it extended, be here now. Nice job. Let it go. Great job. All right, 1 more move here. So what we're going to do is take the band in the right hand and place that band on your hip. Okay, so band's in the right hand, place it on your hip, and then we're going to take the left hand, so band in the left hand, and then we're going to really bring that hand out. So gauge the intensity. I need to make it a little bit more challenging for myself. And we're going to pull it straight out. Nice job. So we're not pulling it up towards the sky. We're just trying to keep the arm as level as possible with the ground. So we're targeting the tricep muscles and the bicep muscles, the upper muscles of the upper arm. You got this. It's not about going super fast here. Take your time, really engage those deeper muscles. Give me 3 more. For 2. And 1. Maybe you hold. Wow, great job. All right, set that down, let it go. Maybe massage that arm a little bit. When you're ready, go to the other side. Left hand to left hip, hold on to the band. And then we're gonna take the strap in the right hand, pull across here. Yeah. Of course, if you're liking these videos, please subscribe to this channel and definitely share with a friend who might benefit from these workouts. As a registered nurse, as a yoga teacher, you know, I have really been very passionate about helping women specifically just find more confidence, live a little bit more balanced and easeful life, and gain some strength along the way. So if you like these, please share with a friend. And check out my website, emilydaugherty.com, and over there you can grab your 4-week health and fitness tracker so you can stay on top of all of your wellness goals. Great job. Give me 2 more. You got this. Together, we've got this. And last one, hold. Yeah, great job. Let it go. All right, we don't want to skip this cool down. Take your arms out to cactus arms. Spread your fingers wide. Inhale, pull the elbows back. Maybe you look up. And then exhale, draw the elbows towards one another. Maybe drop the chin towards the chest. Inhale, open wide. And exhale, close and drop chin down. And last time, in and out. Great job. Set the hands on the knees. Scooch out on the edge of your seat if you need to. Moving into seated cat-cow. Inhale, heart open, look up. Exhale, drop your chin, arch through your upper back body, roll into a scaredy cat shape. Inhale, roll up. Exhale, fold in. 2 more of these. Inhale. Use your breath to move you. And one more time. Nice job. Return to easy seat. And then let's finish out this practice with an angel breath, dropping the hands by the side. Inhale, sweep the arms high, lots of love in. And exhale, lots of love out. So good for you. I am so proud of you for sticking around to the end, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take good care. Bye-bye.